Good afternoon. Welcome to Munley's World of Weather. I clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for March 14th to 28th. First, I'm going to talk about the potent storm system, quick but potent storm system for the eastern states. We have numerous advisories and watches and warnings posted everywhere from the Mid-South all the way into New England. Okay, we're going to look at the surface map. And here we have upper level energy that will be swinging eastward during Saturday, and the result they'll be phasing as northern southern stream track here comes together and causing a strong storm system to form over the mid Atlantic states. Low pressure at the surface is forecast to develop over the Gulf Coast states tonight ahead of the trough, and expect rapid intensification during Saturday as the low quickly tracks northeast towards the coast of New England. We're going to take a look at this at the surface. Okay, right here. All right, this is the GFS. Starting time is 7 p.m. tonight. Low down here. See, beginning to organize here, spreading a stripe of snow here from lower Mississippi Valley northward, and then we go to 7 a.m. tomorrow, and you can look that there's very heavy snow here occurring in Tennessee valleys, into Ohio Valley, and parts of the interior northeast. And this line here's a freezing line here. You can see it in red, and then this will quickly move into even to the I-95 corridor, and then we go to 7 p.m. tonight, and it begins to wind down. And a lot of these watches are in effect till 7 p.m. on Saturday. Cold air will filter in behind a series of fronts that will consolidate into a single system late Saturday over the east. And snow will begin to overspread many locations of Tennessee and Ohio valleys tonight, with 1 to 3 inches of accumulation expected as far south as northern Mississippi and northern Alabama. Higher amounts are forecast just to the north into central Tennessee, upper Ohio Valley, and locations. The heavy snow transitions to snow showers later Saturday afternoon. Further east, like I showed you as this transition occurs, we'll look at the GFS because it shows it the best. Rain would change to snow for the mid-Atlantic region and to southern New England early Saturday as winds turn sharply to the northwest and increase in speed. Snowfall rates could reach 1 to 2 inches per hour expected, combined with gusting winds at 50 miles per hour. This is called brief blizzard conditions across these areas to make for extremely dangerous travel and give a significant reduction in visibility on Saturday. There'll also be a flash freeze. So any rain along the mid-Atlantic coast that had rain will quickly freeze, and temperatures will be dropping through the day. The greatest snowfall totals are expected in central northern New York State to northern New England, where 6 to over 12 inches of snow will be possible. Okay, now we're going to get to the forecast. This is for March 14th to the 18th. Got to bring this over a little bit, if it will let me. Oops, and I lost the maps. Okay, I just lost the maps. The flow will generally transition to a zone of flow as east central states trough lifts out, and this will lead to above normal temperatures across much of the nation, and we'll be transitioning to a flow associated with a positive PNA. Mild air, we have a trough here. That's what I want to show you with the maps, but I just lost the maps. It'll take a while to reload. And during this period, we'll have 2 weather events that are expected across the nation next week. The first system will shift from the southern plains to the southeast Monday night through Wednesday before turning northeast off the east coast. And we can see that, let me go to the map. Okay, jump around here. Here's our first system here across the Gulf Coast states. And this will move Wednesday before moving northeast off the Mid-Atlantic coast by Wednesday. That system moves out. And then we have ongoing atmospheric river into the northwest that was shipped down to the North California coast Monday night ahead of the next wave that crosses the northwest on Tuesday. And temperatures will moderate across much of the east central states, with anomalies reaching as high as 10 to 20 degrees above normal, bringing spring-like temperatures after our event here in the east. Okay, now we're going to get to the, I don't have the other map. We're going to look at the period for March 15th and 19th. The transition will be complete this period with zonal flow. Again, leading to something like this, generally a zonal flow across the nation with above normal heights. And like I said, this corresponds with a positive PNA, higher pressures across the Northeast Pacific, warming occurring, and then lower pressure across Alaska. That's just what we're going to have. So for this forecast period, I'm sorry, I lost the maps. For this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures across a majority of the nation. Expected anomalous be as high as 4 to 12 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. Looking at the period for March 24th to 28th, little overall change. We're still expecting a zonal flow. And the height anomalies remain generally the same. We have above normal heights across much of the nation, below normal heights across Canada and near Alaska, higher heights further to the north. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies being near 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. That might be a little low, that might be even higher. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this area, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%, below normal temperatures forecast here, and with the anomaly, the probability of occurrence is near 40%. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for March 14th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.